It's been a very, very tough year. COVID was, for me personally, quite an unpleasant experience. It was just the unknown, you know, and it's unprecedented.
We went into lockdown and, of course, the whole project had to take a back seat while things were reconfigured and we all had to work out new procedures.
And luckily for us, the trade contractors, including Lucas and the client, stepped up to the plate.
So not only have we had the logistic challenges of that, but we've had the COVID safe procedures to work with to make sure that, you know, hygiene's in place, health and safety, touch-free training. We've built an app so that all of our guys can do things on smartphones, social distancing. There's been reconfiguration on site, and all of that has been put in place and allowed us to continue with our work, which I think is a record in itself.
But it's a new world, and it's difficult and challenging, and you just have to be flexible, open-minded, and probably, lastly, considerate to those around you.